This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Avast Antivirus security. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for Avast. You can find it at, well, it's quite a long URL here, so I won't read it out, all of that. But I will include this link in the video description, so you can just click right there and you'll wind up straight on this page. You won't need to search or anything like that. So we're downloading a free antivirus, award-winning virus, malware, next level online scam protection, highly recommended. Now it knows that I'm on a Mac, so it's offering me the free download for the Mac version right here. It's also available on PC, Android and iOS, so you can click right there. If you need the PC version, if you're on Windows, you can click right there. It's just kind of redirected when I've clicked there because it knows I have a Mac. But essentially, if you're on Windows, it will know that you're on Windows, and you'll have the Windows version available right here. So I've got a Mac version, so we're going to click on free download. Almost done. Complete installation by clicking your downloaded file and following the instructions. So that will instantly download. We can actually back out of there. That's the download complete. Depending on your browser, I have Google Chrome, so it will go to the downloads folder on my Mac, and you can open the installer from wherever your browser saves its files. Hopefully you found this short video on how to download Avast useful, where to find it, and you've got the link now. Hopefully you found this video useful. Drop the video a like if you have, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.